Please subscribe.
The 2017 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 has a 650 horsepower, 485 kilowatt V8, a 10-speed automatic that reportedly shifts faster than Porsche's PDK, and we know now, a top speed of nearly 200 miles per hour, 321 kilometers per hour. The new ZL1 is given the crown fastest Camaro ever with a 198 miles per hour, 318 kilometers per hour, top speed. Chevy CAMARO ZL1 has been tested in high-speed oval at Germany's Automotive testing Papenburg. The Chevy engineers drive CAMARO ZL1 through the testing ground with both direction of the 7.6-mile, 12.3 kilometer, loop and compensating for wind speed, achieved top speed of 202.3 miles per hour in one direction, and 193.3 miles per hour, 311 kilometers per hour, going to the other direction. This test caps an impressive list of performance stats for the Camaro ZL1, which was designed to excel at everything, said Oppenheiser, Camaro chief engineer. It's the most capable and fastest Camaro ever. The ZL1 was running on production Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar 3 tires with a recommended SI of 44 during the test. The only deviations from stock were the mandatory safety equipment and data logging systems placed throughout the car, inside and out. Along with its impressive 198 miles per hour top speed, the ZL1 is able to hit 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour, in just 3.5 seconds with the 10-speed automatic equipped, blast through the quarter mile in just 11.4 seconds at 127 miles per hour, 204 kilometers per hour, and achieve as much as 1.02 GS in the corners. The 2017 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 base price for the standard 6-speed manual transmission is $63,435. The price has including $995 destination fee, or $65,830 for the ZL1 with 10-speed automatic transmission. If you want to buy the drop-top version, you need more than $66,000 to put ZL1 in your garage.
Please subscribe.